Good morning, students. My name is Sagar Wilson, and I will be your maths teacher. Today, we are teaching rational numbers for the 8th class. So, first of all, what are rational numbers? So, any number which can be expressed in the form of p by q are called rational numbers, where p and q both the digits are integers, and q is never equal to 0, it is always greater than 0. So any number which is represented in the form of p by q is called a rational number. For example, minus 9 upon 8. Here you can see this minus 9 upon 8, where p, that is numerator, is equal to minus 9 and q is equal to 8. So this number is a rational number. Here you can also see that the q is not equal to 0, it is greater than 0. So therefore any number which can be represented in the form of p by q is called a rational number. Now the note, like you can see 4 upon 0 or minus 5 upon 0, here you can see that the q is equal to 0. In both the numbers you can see that the q here and here, both the places you can see that the q is equal to 0. आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ और यहाँ दोनों जगह 0 है q की वैल्यू. तो ऐसे रैशनल नंबर्स जिनमें डिनोमिनेटर 0 हो वो एक रैशनल नंबर नहीं होते हैं. जहाँ पे भी q की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है वो एक रैशनल नंबर नहीं होता है. बोथ ऑफ दीज आर नॉट द रैशनल नंबर्स. तो कोई भी नंबर जो कि p बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में लिखा है, हम और एग्जांपल में से ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि जैसे यहाँ माइनस 9 अपॉन 8 है, हम और भी एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं जैसे कि 3 अपॉन 5 या 7 अपॉन 8 या माइनस 4 अपॉन 11 एक्सेट्रा. ऐसे कई सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड रैशनल नंबर्स. अब सबसे पहले आता है इसमें टाइप. सबसे पहला टाइप होता है पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स और दूसरा होता है नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. अब पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स वो होते हैं जिनमें कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही नंबर्स पॉजिटिव होते हैं. यानी कि इफ द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर आर हैविंग बोथ पॉजिटिव साइन आर नोन एज द पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, and on the same side if both of them are having the negative signs, that like numerator and denominator both are in negatives, are both of them are having the negative sign, then they will be called as the negative integers. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि minus 4 upon 7, positive, this is 4 upon 7. Here you can see that there is no sign in front of them. If there is no sign, then these integers are called positive integers. Whenever we have to write any number which is in the form of negative integer, we will add a minus sign in front of it. Like you can see here, a minus sign is placed in front of 6, in front of 9. So these numbers are the negative integers, but here you can see that there is no sign in front of 3 and 4. So these integers are called positive integers. So these are positive integers and these are negative integers. Now there is one more case, like if I write minus 4 upon minus 11, so this will become a positive integer. Now how this will become a positive integer? When you will like this sign is actually a division sign, so when you will divide both of these signs, so these will cancel out each other and this will become a positive integer. So if you are having a minus sign in both numerator and denominator, so it will not be a negative integer, it will become positive integer after the whole calculation. So this will not be a this will not be a negative integer, this will be a positive integer. So everyone please note down the definition of the integer and make these notes in your separate maths copy. Okay. Now the next topic is operation on rational numbers. The first one is addition of rational numbers. So the first operation is adding two rational numbers. सबसे पहले हम करेंगे कि हम दो रैशनल नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. तो जो सबसे पहला एग्जांपल है, इट इज 3/5 प्लस 4/5. So here we have to add two different rational numbers, that is 3/5 and 4/5. Now here you can see that in both the numbers we have the same denominator, that is we are having the denominator 5 common in both the numbers. So when we are having the rational numbers where we are having the same denominators, so these type of rational numbers are called as like rational numbers, and here you don't have to take any of the LCM, you simply have to add them. Like here, when you are having same denominators, you don't have to add the denominators, you will get the common denominator. Here it will be 5, and you will take the numerators and you will simply add the numerators and you will get the answer. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 5. So 7/5 will be the answer. So here जो सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ जो आपको ध्यान रखने की है, जब आपके डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो तो उन डिनोमिनेटर्स को ऐड नहीं करते, यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक द सेम नंबर हियर. आपको बस वही नंबर यहाँ लिख देना है और सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर्स को ही ऐड करना है और आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. दूसरा एग्जांपल हम एक और करते हैं, जैसे कि 8/7 प्लस 4/7. Here also you have to do the same thing. You can see that the denominators in both the number is common, so you have to write the same denominator here. यहाँ पर कुछ और नहीं करना है, वही का वही डिनोमिनेटर आपको यहाँ लिख देना है. और जो न्यूमरेटर है जो कि है 8 plus 4, so you have to add the numerator. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 7, so 12/7 will be your answer. So while we are having the same denominator, you can simply add the rational numbers using this method. Okay. So these were the examples when we are adding the rational numbers with the common denominators. Now for example, if we are having the different denominators, like we are having 3/4 plus 2/5, now we are not having the same denominator. As you can see here, 4 and 5 are not the same numbers. So what we will do here, we will take the LCM. Now you people have learned LCM before also, so let's take the LCM of 4 and 5. Now here you can see that these two numbers don't come in the same table, so what will be the LCM here? It is 2 into 2 into 5, so it will be 20. So the LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. Now you have got the LCM 20. Now how you have to solve this rational numbers using this LCM is, now you have to multiply a number in 4 and 5 so that you can get the answer equal to 20. Like now you can see here you are having 3 upon 4. So what are you going to multiply? आप क्या multiply करेंगे 4 में जिससे कि आपका आंसर आ जाए 20. Now what you will multiply in 4? हम क्या multiply करेंगे 4 में कि हमारा आंसर 20 आ जाए? हम 4 के टेबल में देखेंगे, so you can see that 4 into 5 is 20. So what are you going to multiply in the denominator? The same number you will multiply in the numerator as well. So अगर आप 5 जो है अगर आप 4 में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो वही नंबर आप न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So it will become 15 upon 20. So this is the first rational number which we have solved here. Now for the second one also we have to do the same thing. It is 2 upon 5. So now again we have to do the same thing. What are we going to multiply in 5 so that we can get an answer of 20? So again we will multiply here 4 because 4 into 5 is 20. So again in the numerator also we are going to multiply 2. So 2 4s are 8 and it will become 15 upon 20 and 8 upon 20. So now we have got the rational numbers which are having the same denominator. So in the case of the rational numbers where we are not having the same denominators, first we have to do the LCM and we have to bring them on the stage where we can have the same denominators. So after doing the LCM we are now having 15 upon 20 and 8 upon 20, and you can see here we are having the same denominators. Now you have to simply add both of these numbers, like 15 upon 20 plus 8 upon 20. So what will be the answer? 15 plus 8 will be 23, and again here you can see that the denominators are same, so we don't have to do anything, we just have to write here 20. So 23 upon 20 will be the answer. Alright students, so this is the method of adding two rational numbers when we are not having the same denominator. So please note down the question and note down the whole solution in your copies, okay? So in the next class, students, we will discuss about how you can subtract the two rational numbers. Today we have learned how we can add two different rational numbers with the same denominator as well as with the different denominators. So in the next class we will study about subtraction of rational numbers with the same denominator and with the different denominator. So this is all for the today's class. Thank you.